sofa, wardrobe, kitchen, bathroom. Can you name the things in your home in English? Let's explore your house together. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Home vocabulary is essential. You use it every single day. Let's learn room by room. Section 1, rooms of the house. The living room, where you relax. The bedroom, where you sleep. The kitchen, where you cook. The bathroom, where you wash. The toilet or the loo, in British English. The hallway, the entrance area. The garden or the yard, outside space. The balcony, outdoor area on a higher floor. Practice. How many rooms does your home have? Say it in English. Section 2. Living room and bedroom furniture. Living room, a sofa or a couch, you sit on it. An armchair, one seat. A coffee table, small table in front of the sofa. A bookshelf, for books. A television or a TV. Bedroom, a bed. A wardrobe, for clothes. A chest of drawers, for folded clothes. A bedside table next to the bed. A lamp, for light. Section 3. Kitchen and bathroom items. Kitchen, a sink for washing dishes. A dishwasher, machine for dishes. Cupboards for storing food and plates. A fridge, an oven. Bathroom, a shower, a bath. A basin or sink. A mirror to see yourself. A towel rail for hanging towels. You now know your home in English. Every room. Recap. Rooms: living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, hallway. Living room furniture: sofa, armchair, coffee table, TV. Bedroom: bed, wardrobe, lamp. Kitchen: sink, cupboards. Bathroom: shower, bath, mirror. Your challenge: pick one room. Describe it in English in the comments. Name 3 things in that room. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.